Guys, what kind of family can one have again if not the family of Vibe with Sonia? So yesterday I came out and I told you guys that YouTube deleted one of my channel and you guys should please help me support. Guys, within just 24 hours or in less than 24 hours, you guys have given me 100 subscribers. And honestly, I do not take this for granted. If you're still on this YouTube channel and you've not joined the family of Vibe with Sonia, I believe you're missing out. This is where you belong. This is where we show love to each other. Guys, I am so grateful. I am so thankful. I do not take any of you guys for granted. See me now. Like, I'm so grateful. Like, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Vibe with Sonia's family. You guys are amazing. You guys are the best. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing everything that happened with that channel and how I lost my 16,000 subscribers on that particular channel. Okay. And so that you guys can actually know the right thing that you guys can also do. But I'm amazed. I'm amazed. 100 subscribers is not a joke. It literally takes some persons like years or months to have just 100 subscribers. But you guys gave me 100 subscribers in less than oh God, I'm so grateful. If you're watching this video and you don't know, yes, I lost my channel with 16,000 subscribers, okay? I lost it like YouTube deleted it from the platform. Not like I lost it, YouTube deleted it from their platform. Even after I did an appeal. In fact, so many things just went wrong with just little thing, and before you know, they say they can never bring that channel again. That's why you're seeing this particular picture that I'm putting out here. And please, if you have not subscribed to that channel, because that's my lifestyle channel, and you're watching this particular video, all you need to help me and do is to go to that channel and subscribe for me. Please subscribe. I'll be putting the channel in the comment section. I'll be pinning it in the comment section. I'll also be pinning it in my description. Help me subscribe. Let's get that channel to 1K subscribers. That's the goal. I want to monetize that channel. Like, I want to monetize that channel, and I know that we can do it. And I know that you guys, I know that you guys love me, and I love you guys too. I always say on this platform that there is no me without you, there is no you without me. If you're watching this video, please subscribe to that channel and let's shame the devil. Let's shame the devil. In fact, I've been so happy yesterday because this past week, like I said, has been one of my most terrible week. I've been so angry with myself. I cried, every other stuff, like God. But after every here am I smiling yesterday. I was just looking at my subscribers increasing, and I've gotten 100 subscribers already. And I know that before the end of today, we are going to be getting more subscribers. Guys, support by Sonia, and I will thank you so much for everything. Check the comment section, check the description. You're going to be seeing the channel, and I'm going to be pinning it in the comment section as well. And I so much love you guys. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.